I found the best AI text-to-video tool. It's fast, free, has lots of styles, and even creates videos in full HD that last up to 7 seconds. This tool is called Morph Studio AI, and I'm going to show you how and why you should use it. After watching this video, you'll be able to create video content for your social media, presentations, website, or YouTube channel. So, head over to the Morph Studio website and click on the Join Beta in Discord button. If you don't have a Discord account, make one. It's quick and free. On the left side in the Morph Studio's Discord, you'll see the tutorial section, which lists commands to customize videos. Let me briefly explain them. All commands are entered at the end of the prompt, starting with a hyphen. The command AR defines the aspect ratio. There are 5 commands for different video formats. For example, the command AR169 will produce a horizontal video. The command AR916 will create a vertical video. The command motion followed by a number between 1 and 10 determines the amount of movement in the video, either intense or smooth. For instance, the command motion 10 will maximize movement. The camera command manages camera movements. For instance, camera zoom in or out will zoom in or out of the video. There are also commands like camera pan up, down, left, right for moving the camera up, down, left, or right, and camera rotate CW or CCW for clockwise or counterclockwise camera rotations. The FPS command followed by a number between 8 and 30 adjusts the frame rate. The higher the value, the smoother the video and the larger its size. For instance, FPS 30 will generate the smoothest but also the largest video. By default, all videos are created at 24 frames per second. The command S with a number between 3 and 7 determines the video's duration. For example, S7 will create a 7-second video. So, with commands out of the way, let's move on to creating a video. On the left, there's a list of video generation channels where you can make videos. At the time of recording this video, there are 10 channels, which prevents the AI from overloading. Choose any you like. Enter the video command and confirm it with a click. Describe in your words what you want the video to show. There are no strict requirements for how you write the prompt. The only limitation, it should be in English, so use a translator if needed. At the end of the prompt, add commands from the tutorial section. Submit your message and wait for the result. Done. Here's my result. Morph Studio can also animate images. For this, start your request with the animate command, and then follow the same steps as with text-to-video. Personally, I didn't find this feature as impressive. In my opinion, Morph Studio handles images less efficiently than text, for now at least. But it's worth a try. And that's it. Please comment on any other AI tools you'd like to see tutorials on. Also hit the like and subscribe buttons. It really helps me to create more videos like this. Thank you.